In this video, we are focusing on order of operations. When combining the operations of addition, subtraction, multiplication and division, a particular order needs to be followed. And I've got it here for you. So in any question that has brackets, we must work the brackets first. Then whichever comes first, multiplication or division will be worked out, followed by addition or subtraction, whichever comes first. So always work one step at a time and work down the page. Whatever doesn't get worked out on a particular line simply drops down the page until it's time to be worked. So let's have a look at this one here. We'll do a couple of examples. We've got 5 plus 10 divided by 2. I drop the equal sign to show my next line of working. Now I've got a 5 plus 10 divided by 2. Well, in my order it tells me that multiplication and division must come before addition and subtraction, so I must work this here. Because I'm not doing anything with the 5 and the plus yet, I drop it down and I work the division first. 10 divided by 2 equals 5. And now all I simply do is answer 5 plus 5 and that equals 10. Here's another example. 12 divided by 3 plus 2. Put my equal sign to show that I'm going to do my next line and I'm working down the page as indicated before. So I've got a division and a plus symbol here. Well, I know that my division and multiplication come before my multiplication or division come before my addition or subtraction. So I go 12 divided by 3 first. I leave this so I can drop that down and I work this. 12 divided by 3 equals 4. And then I simply work across and solve the problem. 4 plus 2 is 6. Now, if I'm going to take on a bit more complex questions, such as this one here, it's going to require quite a few lines of working. Okay, I've got a subtraction, a multiplication, and an addition here. Okay, now I know that multiplication comes first because I'm told so. So I put my equal sign, I can drop my 50 and subtraction, and I can drop my plus 8. And I'm going to solve this part and put the answer here. Okay, 2 times 3 is 6. Now I can work across the page now. So I can solve all the way across in one line. However, I like to solve them separately, so I'm going to do it separately for you. 50 minus 6 is 44. And I'm going to drop the plus 8 down there. And now I simply add 44 plus 8, which equals 52. So in the case of these examples, multiplication and division go first. If multiplication comes before division, you work the multiplication first. If division comes before multiplication, then work division first. If it is the same for, it's the same for plus and subtraction, addition, subtraction. Whatever comes first gets worked first.